So I'm at the park allowing Jada baby to roam free. I haven't eaten today, y'all. I've only had my coffee and some water. I'm trying not to be sad. Like, I kind of feel like I do want to cry. I do. But I'll be okay. Good morning, friends. It is 7:59 on a Monday. There's Dom, and I'm at Mountain West Motors. Hopefully, they'll be able to get Dom taken care of. I will keep you guys posted. Alrighty, friends. They're gonna look at Dom, get her hooked up to their little thingy bobber. I'll be able to sit and chill. So I'm about to get Jada baby. They said Jada's fine to come in too. So yeah, fingers crossed, y'all. Hey friends, I'm at the dog park. I was at the day before yesterday, or maybe it was yesterday. I'm not sure. So I left the mechanic. I'll go ahead and put the write-up to the side, or the quote to the side. That's how much it's gonna be. I told him, let's go ahead and work on it. It sucks, obviously, for the price. But I really need a peace of mind. He's like, yeah, you'll still be able to drive it, you know, if you don't get it taken care of and stuff. Like, I know she drives, but I don't want to risk it not cranking up in, you know, one day and then, okay, it cranks up the next day. And it's like, I don't need that stress, because what if I'm in a position that I need to leave like ASAP and she don't crank up? Or, you know, just driving and I get that feeling, you know, it's just, I'm not happy about it. But ultimately I'm paying for the peace of mind, and literally this was the only code that popped up on Domino. So in theory, she should be good to go after this, and I should not have any more issues, you know, when it comes to her mechanically. And honestly, if I have any more issues moving forward, like mechanically, other than, you know, just like the normal stuff that you have to do with cars, Domino has a brand new engine with a 3-year nationwide warranty, and it was worth, when I got it, like almost $6,000 or something like that. That was the one that Walmart replaced. Honestly, I would find my land. This would really force me to go ahead and sit down and find my piece of land that I've been wanting to buy for so long. I would literally buy that land, put Domino on that land, sell the engine out of her, and I will also sell those tires. I haven't eaten today, y'all. I've only had my coffee and some water. I'm trying not to be sad. Like, I kind of feel like I do want to cry. I do. But I'll be okay. Alrighty, friends, I am back in Dom. Sorry about this. I am back in Dom. I cried a little bit. Okay, making sure ain't no residue like on my face or anything. I cried a little bit. Just needed to go ahead and get that out. I'm fine. You know, ultimately, I'm gonna go do my meditation. I'm gonna go ahead and head to Walmart, post up, because I was at the mechanic, you know, at like 7:59 this morning. I got up, didn't do any meditation or anything, but I'm going to go to Walmart. I'm sorry, I thought I did see some like leftover tears and possible snot. I'm sorry. But what I realized, I mean, I know this because I say this to myself every day. Like, I am truly grateful. I love my life. I love the life that I live. I am still a very blessed individual. Like, even when things come at me crazy, I still look at things like everything had to happen for a reason. There's a lesson I'm supposed to learn somewhere in this mess. And then it also just put things in perspective. Like, even if there wasn't a lesson possibly to learn, at least be thankful that you do have the funds. Like, I'm thankful that I have the funds to cover this bill, and I'm not going to fall short in other places. So I got my little tears out, and Jada was so sweet. Like, I was at the dog park on the picnic table just kind of crying, and she was all the way down. This was a huge, area for them to walk around and stuff, and she ran over to me and started whimpering up under the table and stuff, trying to get my attention, like, what's wrong? So she was like, girl, we don't cry like that. So she was there to comfort me, which was super sweet. But yeah, all in all, I am still very blessed, very grateful and thankful. Things happen. I'm very much so resilient, so this is just another thing. But yeah, I still haven't eaten, y'all, and it is 3:25, so I'm gonna eat some of those leftovers that I cooked yesterday. There's no reason for me to cook, because that's just be wasteful for money anyways, knowing that I cooked yesterday. So I'm gonna go ahead and make my way to Walmart so I can set up and heat up my food. They actually pulled, let me switch the camera. So this piece, all of this comes out. So they pulled all of this out. So I'm gonna reorganize, all of this stuff up here so I can make easier for them tomorrow. And also when I come back in, I'm not like, oh my gosh, everything is everywhere. So I'm gonna do that also tonight, prep Dom, so that they can have her tomorrow and not have to move all of my stuff around. I mean, I got a bag of rocks that's 15 pounds probably. It's like rocks and crystals and stuff like that. So they was probably like, what the heck? And just not throwing, but moving my stuff to the side. So I'm gonna get Dom, ready for that. And they said, I couldn't have her back tomorrow too. So I'll probably stay another night here in the town tomorrow and then be about my way the next day. But tonight's gonna be a cold one, 36 degrees, which is perfectly fine. I'm covered with, heat and stuff. But yeah, let me let y'all go. I'm gonna see y'all when I get to Walmart. Bye. Back at Walmart. So crazy. My laptop picks up Walmart Wi-Fi. So I have the rest of the episodes of Vikings that I could not watch because I didn't download the rest of them. So I'm about to heat up my curry leftovers and veg out, honestly, and watch Vikings. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I can say.
Sitting on that throne means nothing.
So I'm just walking Jada crazy Main Street, right? Look at this. Oops, I want to zoom in. It's a freaking family of deer. And they're looking at me. Look at them. That is so random. So random. Whoop, whoop. Look at that. The sun is out. Dom is out. Jada's out. I'm out. Let's go. Okie dokie, friends. So I am back at Tractor Supply. I stayed there, 2 nights ago, maybe? Honestly, I can't remember. But I just ordered. This food truck is here, which they weren't here. They have wings and stuff. So I just ordered some lime pepper and garlic Alfredo. So I'm excited about that. And I'm just walking Jada, baby. But yeah, it's an okay-ish day. The total, you probably want to know how much it was to get Dom fixed. I'll go ahead and put it over here, but it was cheaper than what was originally quoted. So I am happy about that. Tomorrow I will be getting back on the road. I'm not waking up at 7 o'clock. I've woken up at 7 o'clock 2 days in a row, and that is just not my jam. So I will not be waking up at 7 o'clock tomorrow. What do I want to do? So Tractor Supply. There is a rumor that in the back of Tractor Supplies they have a dog wash, like a self dog wash station, and it's like $7. No, Jada, $7 to wash your dog. So after I eat, I will be calling them up to see if they have a self wash station here, so I can give Jada baby a bath. If not, we'll probably be doing that tomorrow. There's a dog wash, a like do it your own dog wash place like an hour and 40 something minutes away from here. So regardless, if she doesn't get one today, she'll get one tomorrow. Oh yes, so I got tater tots instead of french fries. This is garlic parmesan, and this is lime pepper, not lemon, friends. What? I ain't getting no salad dressing or nothing, but whatever. It looks so good.